It's that time of year, guys, when we decorate our patio and garden for summer. So come along with me and let's take a look at what they have over at the Lowe's Garden Center. You're going to see lots of beautiful planters of different sizes and shapes, flower pots. There's so many different things that you may have in mind. We'll also see trellises, different seating arrangements that you can get, to make your outdoor space as comfortable as possible. Also, you'll see lighting and so much more. So we're going to go ahead and get past the plants and see what they have inside. My name is Marlene. Welcome to our home and garden channel. So the first thing that I saw were these beautiful, I call them window boxes. And I just love them with that coir look. It just gives them that natural organic feel. You can see the prices, guys, how much you were going for. They also had the hanging baskets as well too, so they look so beautiful when you hang them with those draping flowers. They also had the liners as well too, so let's say if you had some before, you can always replace them. And then over here they have lots of planters of various sizes. I want to show you how large that one was. The camera isn't even showing you exactly how big it really is. You can see the different shapes, different styles. There is something to suit everyone. And I just love the blue ones, especially. They just give it that nice contrast when you put like red in them or something like that, pinks and so on. But it works pretty much for just about any combination you may have in mind. These ones, they look so elegant to me. And if you want something that, more cottage style feeling or more Mediterranean type of a look, I think these would be perfect for that. And just to show you guys, against my hand, how big they really are. And I thought that this style was really cute. It's kind of like an urn in a sense, almost like a flower at the same time. So it's very, very pretty. You can see how much those were going for. These are investments, guys. You buy them and then they're going to last for a while. And these over here, these are the whiskey barrels. Good for like, planting blueberries like I have in the past, or raspberries and, little things like that are going to spread out. And of course, if you have things that, like things drier, like certain types of herbs and so on, these terracotta pots and the saucers are great for those. And they also have, containers. So if you have like succulents, you can get those ceramic ones and put them in there. And I always like to check to make sure that the type that I'm buying, if it's ceramic, that it has a hole in the bottom. So that way, that your plant is going to be okay, that the roots will be able to breathe and, they won't have any root rot. So you can have lots of success in your garden. But boy, are they gorgeous. Just look at that, guys. So beautiful. And look at this one right here. It's a little bit more, I'd say a little more upscale in a sense. These ones over here with these colors that they have. And these do so much for you already. You could just put a plant in there that has just one color and that's all you need, because it's already so much going on with these. And of course you can mix and match them to suit your style that you have going. That one looks like, for a cottage type garden, and I like it. I think it's really cute. We move on to the trellises now. And of course you have trellises of various sizes over there. I think that one is so nice. I really, really like that one. And you can actually spray these if you like. If you want to make them sprayed white or something like that, you can just leave them in the natural color that they're in. And either way, I think it looks beautiful. And then over here now they had this one. It has a window box below. So you can plant like a lower plant, or you can plant a vine, that climbs up. But either way, it offers privacy. So you can put it somewhere you want, like keep the eyes off a little bit. And in this recent video, I talked about different vines that you can plant and grow to get beautiful blooms. Some of them are in vases, some of them are not. If you have a large area, so it tells you the ones that you may want depending on your space. And I'll link it at the end. You can always check it out when you get a chance. So we're going to move past the plants again and head on inside. So in here now, the first thing I saw are these beautiful flags that they have. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love birds and I love butterflies. So this definitely appeals to me. And of course, the larger they are, then the more you'll have to pay. And they also have some flag stands as well too, so you get everything together and you just put them in your garden and they look so nice. Or maybe, like by your front door or something like that. And I just wanted to pause for a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you have never done so before. My husband and I, we do lots of gardening topics. We could do garden DIYs. We show you at the gardens, what's at the garden centers. We also, talk about common mistakes that we or others have made that we've learned from, so that you can have an easier gardening experience and lots of success with your plants. And if you haven't heard from us in a while, be sure to stop by because we do weekly videos. Moving on now, we have these outdoor rugs. And sometimes you'll put like your outdoor furniture out and you need something to kind of like tie everything together. And these are absolutely perfect for that. And they are, they're able to handle the weather, rain, and all of that. So they're pretty much good to go. And those can last you for quite a few years. Now, move on over to the seating that they have. And I really, really like these because it is a rocker. And it's a rocker that doesn't take up a lot of space. You know how sometimes you have the rockers and they have the part that goes in front and behind. You don't see one further in the video, but these ones don't have that. So that way, if you have a smaller space, you can fit one of these in there and it works out perfectly. And that was for $4.98. So I really like those. Here's another set. This is not a rocker. I just love the color of the pillows that they put on there. A little bit more for this one. It has that nice look, as does this one here. Very, very, just feels cool, cooling and relaxing when you look at this one especially. And this one is for $6.48. So the prices are going up, but there's something, with various budgets depending on what you're trying to get. And, these are investments, guys, so it's something you buy. It should last you for years. And we'll be moving further up as we go along. So this one right here, you can see the base gives you lots of support. And the table is a pretty good size. So they're showing you this one is for $6.98. And of course, these prices may change depending on where you are when you're watching this. But this is just, basically what we're showing as of the date of this video. And I just wanted to say that, I will link my playlist for spring and summer porch makeover to give you some ideas. So you can take a look at that, as you shop, it will give you ideas of what you could possibly do with yours. So moving on, next, this one is for a larger group. It seats 6, which is really, really good. I think it's, it's very spacious. You have lots of room between different people. You can even maybe pull up a chair or two if needs be to fit more people there. Because, when you have your summer activities going on, you have people coming over, family coming over. So it's good to have, lots of seating so people can be comfortable out there. And just to show you against my hand, how the back of the seat curves and all of that. So we're moving up the line in terms of the prices. That one was for $13.98. This one next to it, though, looks different. So I'm not sure what the correlation is there, but I like the fact that you can sit down and put your feet up, especially like a hard day at work. You come home, or if you work from home, you just go out and chill a little bit outside, and you can put a nice glass of lemonade or something like that right there. And this one looks really good. And over here we have this one. Pretty big size table as well too. And again, like for this one, I'm thinking you can get extra chairs to pull up there so that way it can serve more people. And here's another one. And I just love the design of the, this is not like, natural wicker material, but either way, it still gives you that organic feel, which I really like that. So if you're in this market, for that price range, $17.98. And I'm thinking that you should be able to change out those pillows because, we'll look at pillows further in the video. So over here now we're looking at umbrellas because if you're out and your patio isn't covered or your porch, your patio, you'll want to have something to shield the sun off when it gets really hot in the daytime. And this black and white one right here is really appealing to me. I just love that color. And I think it would match with so many different things. It's 9 feet across and it's for $99. And they also have the solid colors as well too. Just to give you an idea, how one of these umbrellas would fit. This is a very large table set over here. I'm not sure why they put that grill work in the center of these tables. Somebody could probably explain to me why it's in there. I'm not sure. But it looks really fancy though. So that's just an idea of how you'd combine them together. We have more umbrellas. This one is 11 feet. So this one is really, really wide. They can cover a larger group of people. So let's take a look down and see how much this one was going for, since it's so much larger than the others. That's 2 more feet that you got. So that one is $198. And they also have this red one here, and that one tilts. 9 feet as well, but it also has lighting under there. So that's an additional feature that they're giving you with this one. So that one is for $248. And again, guys, these things are investments. And this one is a massive one right here. Very upscale looking, I would say. It looks like something from a movie set or something like that. And of course, be sure to put them away, when it comes to winter, if you're in an area that gets, hard freezes, to secure your furniture so they can be in good shape for following years. You can see how much that was going for. And of course, we will need to have our base for the umbrella to make sure it doesn't turn over, flop over or whatever. And just to give you an idea of how they did that. So say you didn't want to do the umbrella route, you wanted something a lot wider, you can get shade cloths and you can put those up and get a wider area covered. So that's another option as well that you have. But let's take a look at some other seating, but these you can mix and match them so that way you can get, what you want depending on your budget. And again, these are not like the natural wicker material, but they still look pretty organic to me, so I like that. And this one has an unusual shape. And just to show you the individual prices, you can see how you can mix and match them to suit, what size you need. So that one was $79. That one was for $89. And this one for $128. And if you like these Adirondack chairs, you can see that they have different colors for you. And these were for $139. And over here, they also had a rocker. But these rockers, they take up space. So you need to have a little bit more room if you're going to be using a rocker like that. We're going to look at some pillows, like add a nice little accent or, little pops of colors here and there. You can see how much those were going for. And I like this black and white one again. So that would go perfectly with the black and white umbrella. I'm not sure if you could zip these off and wash them. I didn't. I should have looked at that for you guys. I'm sorry about that. But hopefully you can zip them so you can wash them so they can last longer if they get soiled or anything like that. And here's another one again. These are like the cushions right here, $29.98. I'm going and take a see how it feels. It's pretty soft. And that one was, you can see how much that one is going for. They have some strap ones. This one looks a little bit thinner, so I'm not sure. I should have felt that wanted to see if it's as sturdy, but many different options of cushions and pillows to make your sitting a little bit more comfortable. Over here, they had gazebo. So let's say you want a grill and not be in the heat, or you want to have a small group, you could put one of those there. This one seats a lot more people. It says soft top. And of course, they have swings, and I always love these swings. We had one years ago, but after a while, we had it for many years, and then after a while, we had to put that one away. And this is the massive one right here. Lighting and everything beautiful is under here. Speaking of lighting, they have these sticky torches over here, and sometimes you can switch them on and put things that help to keep mosquitoes away, like citronella and all of that. So those were for $4.98. Then they had the metal ones over here. If you want a more modern look, you can see how much these were going for. And they had these ones over here as well. So they have lots of lighting options for you. And this is not sponsored, guys. Again, it's just that I want you to be aware of what's out there so you can make some really good decisions. Those are walkway lights. And these are the string lights. And I always like to see these, when you string them along and, it's dim and they come on, it just looks so nice outside. And they're giving you a pretty good length, 24 feet and 48. And these are the poles that you would use to hold them up. And these actually go up to 9 feet. So you can, do that kind of like up and down, kind of a draped look, in your space. I've seen these typically even on people's porches too. They just string them right up under the porch and they look really nice. So, you could do that. And I did want to show you this bench right here. You can see how much that's going for. So when you're outdoors, you may have ants, because people are eating, they may come along. So that's something you can use if you're into things like that. We didn't look at the plants today, but we can another time. But just to say, to take care of them, neem oil would be good if you're okay using neem oil. It's fairly organic, in terms of not having so many chemically things inside there. That's the right word to say. I got myself one. I do companion planting, but sometimes it can help them a little bit too if you're, like you have a major pest infestation. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much to our channel members. We certainly appreciate you. And those of you, that share our videos out with fellow gardeners, it really means a lot to us. And if you have never been on this channel before, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Gardening is such a wonderful hobby to have, guys. There's so many benefits from it. So if you're considering that, I highly recommend it. I want to thank you all so much for watching and hope you got some great information from this. And I do hope to see you in the next video. Take care.